Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a veg recipe. The new moon and full moon come once in every month, and according to Vastu, we should eat vegetarian at least for these 2 days. But we Bengalis who love fish and meat often do not understand what to cook, which is easy to cook and very tasty to eat. So, no more further ado, let's get started with today's recipe, which is rice with pointed gourd or chal potol. In Bengali, I have taken 4 pieces of potholes and I have cut this like so. You can see I am gonna add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am rubbing the salt and turmeric all over them. Now for the rice, here I am taking half cup of Govindbhog rice. The aroma of Govindbhog rice will add sweet buttery flavor in our recipe. Now I am going to soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. For the spices, here I kept 1 inch grated ginger, 1 bay leaf, some cumin seeds, 3 green chillies, and for whole garam masala, here I kept 1 small piece of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 pieces of clove. Also I have coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, and finally turmeric powder. That's it. Now let's fry the potatoes. Here I am heating up a frying pan. Now I am adding a sufficient amount of mustard oil for frying. Spreading it all over the pan. Now the oil is perfectly hot, so I am adding the potatoes to be fried. I am going to toss a little with a spatula. I have been frying them for a little long time. Now the potatoes have become nicely golden brown in color from all the sides. And now I'll pick them up in a plate. Now I am adding some more oil. The oil is nicely hot now. Now it's time for adding the whole spices. I am adding bay leaf, cardamom, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves. After 5 to 10 seconds, I am adding grated ginger and tossing it a little. Now I am adding all the powder spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am adding a little bit of water so that the spices don't burn. Mix it nicely. This time I am adding some salt as per the taste. And again mixing it. Now I am adding 3 slitted green chillies. Now I am adding the most important ingredients in the recipe is fried potatoes and the Govindbhog rice. I am frying the rice for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Or until then the water is completely evaporate. Here I kept half cup of Govindbhog rice, so I am adding the double quantity of water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Again I am adding some more salt to balance out the taste. Stir it gently. And now I am closing the lid and wait for 10 to 15 minutes or till then the rice is completely cooked. Now after 5 minutes I am mixing it again, but this time very gently, so that the rice doesn't burn from the bottom. Now I let it cook uncovered. My rice is totally boiled. And the last step is to add some aroma, so I am adding some fresh homemade ghee. It smells really awesome. But if you don't have homemade ghee, you can also use Patanjali ghee. That is also very nice. Mixing it a little. And now let's serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed my video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and families, and do comment. And also all the details of this recipe will be in the description box below. Do check it out. And if you hadn't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe for the new recipes, and also hit the bell icon